Saw your question about 2.4. The mean value of land and buildings per acre from a sample's farms is about $1,200 per acre. Standard deviation of $100. Data set's bell-shaped distribution. Assume the number of farms in the sample is 75. Use the empirical rule to estimate the number of farms whose land and building values per acre are between $1,100 and $1,300. Round, and there's total number. Come over here, and I'm trying to draw a picture here. So the mean value is $1,200. So they're trying to draw a bell-shaped curve here where the mean or the middle is 1,200. Then I'm going to go one standard deviation on either side. So standard deviation is 100. So if I add 100, I'd be at 1,300. If I subtracted 100 from 1,200, it'd be 1,100. And so these numbers here, 1,100 and 1,300, they're just one standard deviation from the mean. So if we look at the empirical rule, this is what it says. You got a bell-shaped curve. Within one standard deviation, you got 68% of data. That's what we have with this part A here. Two standard deviations, you have 95% of data. And three standard deviations, you have 99.7%. So this picture is really helpful. So we've got this right in blue here. One standard deviation, 68%. See, that's what I'm trying to draw here. It means 1,200 from 11 to 1,300. That's one standard deviation, 68% of data. Okay, if we come over here, well, there's 75 farms here. So we just take our calculator, and we just take 68% of that 75, or 0.68 times 75. We get 51. So 51 farms will have land whose building values between $1,100 and $1,300. Hope that helps.